RV dealers, especially you guys with selling those big diesel pusher motor homes with those big glass windows. Man, those things are expensive to replace. Today we're going to be talking to you guys about the RV windshield protection program and why you should be offering it. We have several different options when it comes to this. The first option being a protective coating that your service department can apply to the exterior of the window. It's very, very simple, very easy, very quick. We'll train your dealership exactly how to do it. The next one is no product at all, and it's just the warranty itself. The main thing to think about when it comes to windshield protection is in the event the customer's windshield gets a chip or a crack or it breaks in half, we have options where it can just repair it, or we can have options where it can repair or replace it. The nice thing about a windshield protection program and why you'd want to offer it to your customers is because what happens if your customer has to replace that windshield? What are they going to do? They're probably going to call their insurance company, and we know what happens when you call your insurance company for anything. You make a claim, what do they do to your rates? They raise your rates. You make too many claims, they cancel you. This product right here is going to make you money and help prevent your customers from increased insurance costs or getting canceled. It's a great way for you to add non-cancelable profit to the bottom line. If you guys are interested in this product, fill out the form, comment below, or do whatever you got to do to get in touch with us, because this product right here could mean everything to your dealership's bottom line.